Well, hey everybody, welcome back to McLovin Moto. Today on the channel, I am at a motor school for some new recruits, some new recruit motors. We are at their school. I'm helping out with some training, and I figured I'd give you a view of what this looks like. So we're gonna go run these patterns around these other guys that are training right now. Beautiful day up here in near Portland, but I am going to go run some patterns and show you what this looks like. I'm on a 2015 BMW R1200RT. All right, they're going to take a break, the students. I'm going to run this real quick with you guys with me. Here we go. Okay, this is the inline weave. This is the first pattern at motor school. Head and eyes up, like rocking a baby. Then it's offset weave. Look where you want to go. Nice big teardrops. You almost go backwards to then go forwards. Give yourself enough room to get through these. Nice big teardrop. And then it's into a keyhole. Go either way you want. I actually like to go left because I'm already kind of leaning left as I come out of there, at least on this pattern. Look where you want to go. Then we're into the intersection. Again, this is just a series of keyholes essentially. Everything kind of comes back to a keyhole, some form or another. Smooth clutch and throttle. Then we're into what's called the Stargate. You start going around the middle cone, and then you have to go out and around each subsequent cone and back to the middle cone. Like so. See how tight you can, how close you can get to it. These tar snakes, if you can see those in the video, those tar snakes suck, especially as it gets warm. They'll cause your tire to wiggle. Now we're going to go into what's called Bender's Bender. Again, kind of another keyhole with a different setup. You want to get up here high and then look out. Then we go into a circular cone weave. It's kind of a series of just quick transitions back and forth with the bars. There's the circular cone weave. That goes into what's called the eliminator. Get high up into this corner, deep into this corner here, and out. And then we've got this long run of cones. Got to make this corner, which is not always easy, as you can see. And we are going into, oh, I missed it. The cone was down, I didn't see it. This is called a 32-foot circle. I didn't come in the right place because the cone was down, but 32-foot circle. And that's down into what's called the fun house. This is a series of essentially long eliminators. So you do them vertically. We'll do them horizontally, and the way to get out of here is by a keyhole at the end, and then we'll do it all back the other way. Those tar snakes are not my friends. So yeah, keyhole here at the bottom. This one's not easy because there's a curb at the back and it's gravel on the other side. So you got to make sure you do that one right, or else you're gonna put your bike down. Another set of horizontal eliminators. Now we're back into the verticals. There we go. Tar snake, don't like that. Back into it here. Clutch and throttle, head and eyes. Turn your head, look where you want to go, and out. There you go. There you have it. That is the pattern for this motor school. Guys, if you have any questions or comments for me, leave them down below. I'd like to know what you think. It's been a while since I've been able to post any work videos. Just with COVID, there hasn't been a lot of training happening, and so I haven't been able to produce anything like this. I'm hoping that with this there's going to be some drone footage. We'll hopefully get that here soon. All right. Good dance, baby. There we go.
Let's do this one more time, shall we? Here's another full run. So we've got inline cone weave. Rocking the baby. Smooth, smooth, smooth. All right, offset cone weave. Doing these teardrop figure eights essentially almost. There we go. See if I can pick up the pace just a little bit. Okay, another keyhole. Go left this time like I did last time. All right, there's a keyhole. Into a this is the intersection. Concentrating on too many things at once. There we go. Okay, now back into Stargate. Let's see if I can be a little tighter on this one this time around. Nice tight turns. There we go. I hate that tar strip, so I'd like to be away from it. Can't avoid it here really. And to get back to where I need to be. Yeah, there it is. Wiggled the tire just a little. That's not a good feeling. You get used to it after a while. The bike's not going to go down, but it just doesn't feel good. Nice and tight there. All right, bender's bender. Let's get into this one. Another, essentially a keyhole. You got to get up high here. Drop it down, full walk, back the other way. Now we're into the circular cone weave. This is kind of a series of just real fast transitions. There's that one. All right, eliminator. Yeah, buddy. Once you get into a rhythm, these are so fun. I'm warmed up. I feel good. Took some ibuprofen, had a headache. All right. I want to hit the curb here. Through there. Turn it. Now we're in the 32-foot circle. There it is. Through the middle and back to the eliminator. Yeah. All right. So these are just a set of vertical eliminators. They're actually wider, I think, than the regular one. Maybe not. I don't know. Can't tell I love this job. Be able to go out and ride like this, just fantastic. Beautiful day. Don't have the temp up right now, but it's got to be maybe 70s. All right, keyhole at the bottom. This one's always, I crash hard here in my motor school, so I always have a little bit of fear in that one. Just fine. That one can be tricky if you're not careful. There we go. Back to the vertical eliminators. Trying to avoid that tar snake. Yeah. Get after it. And I am not even fast compared to some of the guys that are here with me today. I'm proficient, but I'm not fast compared to a lot of other guys. And that's another complete run, guys. What do you think? What's your favorite pattern? You have one you like the best? 32-foot circle, inline cone weave, Stargate, eliminator, funhouse. What do you like? What's the one you'd like to try? Hit me up, let me know. All right, everybody, if you liked that video, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button. This is an awesome day of training. Let me know what you think in the comments. What's your favorite pattern? What part did you like the best? And appreciate you coming along and watching McLovin Moto. Take care, everybody.